we built ultrasonic security alarm and our team name is Miracle Workers. Now my friend Gaurav will tell you some material required in this project.
In this, the material are required battery, buzzer, Arduino, wire, and etc. Now my friend Vinay tell you this.
Security has always been a major concern for all of us, and there are many high-tech and also based on security alarm. We have made many security alarm, and today we are adding one in our list that is based on secure ultrasonic security alarm. Now my friend Kush will tell you the features and advantages of it.
First of all, I will tell you about the working explanation of this project. In this, first we connect the battery to the switch, and when anything comes in path of the ring, the microcontroller will send a message to the buzzer and to the LED bulb, and buzzer will start beeping and the LED will glow. Now, some advantages of this project are it cannot be detected by adverse conditions. It can work in atmospheric, rain, snow, in etc. And it's a great thank you to our principal ma'am, Miss Puna Soleri, who gave us such opportunity to make this project, and our guider Mr. Radhikesan sir, who helped us to make this project.